Hi, today I will show you how to add a new section with Dawn theme. So we now have 18 section. We will add a new section. To add that, click on the edit code and from here under section create a new file and name it new section. Click create. This is our new file, new section. We just rename it. Okay, we want to show a image and then heading and then description. This is all we want to show up here. So first we have to make this visible to customer section. To do that, we have to add a preset code. How can we do that? We can check other section, and from other section very bottom you can see this is the preset code. Copy the preset code and paste here after the comma, and we don't need this. We have to remove the comma and rename the section with section preset section name with new section, like this. Now if we refresh, we can see the new section. Add section, new section. Here you can see new section is showing. Here new section is showing, but our static data is showing. We have to make this data dynamic. Here you can see nothing showing up here. We have to make this dynamic. So first we can replace the image with the image code. How can we do that? We have to find out the image code. Here this is the image code. We can place the image code here. This is the image code. We can this is our image code. If we refresh, you can see image option will show up here. Okay, to show up image option is not showing up here because we made a mistake. We have to add that under here, then this will show up. This is for output, and for input we have to add the input code here, and we can find the input code here. Here you can see image speaker. We need the image speaker and place here. We don't need comma now as there is one only. We can label this image, and here image ID is image. This is very important. As you can see, this is the image ID. We have to use the same image ID here. Here you can see section. That means this is a section and this is under settings, and here is the settings and then image. This is the image ID. So section, settings and image. Now if we refresh the page, you can see image option is showing up here, and we can select an image and you can see image is showing up here. Now we have to make the heading and description dynamic. So we can copy the input code from here. we just have to find the here we can use this one, and we if we want to add a new input field, we have to use comma and then add the new input field. No need comma for the last input field. We can rename this with heading and then default heading. We can add level, heading level, and heading info. Now if we refresh, we can see the heading input field. Here you can see heading input field. Here you can replace this with the new one. This is heading label and this is for heading info. We just made work with the input field. Now we have to work with the output. As heading is also under section, then heading is also under settings, and then heading ID. This is our ID, unique ID. ID must have to be unique, and place it here. Now if we refresh this, here you can see we can refresh this with our new section heading. Here you can see heading is dynamic now. Now we have to make our description dynamic also. Copy the same and then rename with description like this, and we can copy this same thing here and just replace the description ID with the heading ID and refresh. Here our description input field is showing up also. Now we just have we can easily use this input field, our new description field. Here you can see this section is fully dynamic now. Thank you very much.